That's water running through it. Let's see when it turns to oil. It's coming out of an engine, by the way. Oh, there we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. Come on. Oh, yeah, look at that. Now we're getting oily. Kinda. Oh, yeah. Now we got some oil. That's why you don't let your boat sink.